hard times reaching the screw? Make a notch in the drill and insert another drill into it. Rub them with insulation and unscrew the screw. If you drive two plastic staples into each other, you're gonna get an excellent holder for wires. The washer can serve as an excellent meter when drilling holes. We'll make a hole in the corner of the plastic pipe and insert a valve there. It's that simple. Steel dowels are ideal fasteners for the door hinges. With the help of ordinary gun, you can fasten two rulers in order to make transfer calculations. While marking holes in a wooden stick, an ordinary bar will help perfectly. Now, with this device, it's very easy to apply a thread to any plastic pipe. See for yourself. If you make a cross piece on a nut with a dome, you'll get an excellent drill for holes for screws. Divide the wooden stick into several identical bars. In each bar will make a triangular notch and a through hole. Now let's take a long bolt and use it to turn two bars into a customizable press. In order to circumnavigate the pipe with boards, we'll make notes with a ruler and then with a compass. We cut out a circle from the board and combine them around the pipe. A nail will make a great holder for a hammer. We'll make a recess and a steel washer. Then we'll stretch the rope through the whole washer and twist it with a washer with a notch. A very strong knot. Look at it. If the recess for the loops completely crumbles, we'll install a plastic pipe there and cover everything around with a self-hardening paste. After that, we'll touch up with the move the pipe. You can put the loops again. Let's take a construction of plastic pipes, make a recess and a hole. We attach the hacksaw blade and fasten it with a bolt. We have a homemade hacksaw. We'll melt the steel tube, pull the glue rod inside and get a homemade glue gun. And now we'll make a more reliable handle for a plastic bucket. 2 bolts and a rubber tube. We'll fix it, see how convenient. If the nailer can handle small nails, let's just add a smaller notch to it. Take the fasteners from the disc of a grinder, attach it to the bolt and insert into the screwdriver. It turns out a device for twisting the wire into a rope. Using a screwdriver, it's very easy to remove the tape. In order not to spill the paint from the jar, attach the top of the bottle to it with a construction hairdryer. This is much more convenient. Insert the steel ring into the stationary clip and get an excellent towel holder. Wrap the wire around the glass bottle, heat it up, and immerse it into cold water. The bottle splits exactly in half. With the help of a clamp, we'll outline places for cuts and recesses on a wide plastic tube. We'll make them with a drill. Now we'll remove all the recess, hang the structure and paint it. It turns out a beautiful and convenient holder for the discs of the grinder. Shaving foam perfectly copies with the contamination of the sink. Just apply it to the entire surface and rinse with a rag. The sink is as new. You can attach a candle to the wire directly under the mixer, and then you'll always have hot water. We'll attach 3 blades from a stationary knife to the bolt this way. Make a hole in the lid of the glass jar and connect the structure. It turns out a homemade blender.